Have you ever wanted to hide a page on your WordPress site? Maybe you're still working on it or you just don't want it visible to visitors yet? In this quick guide, I'll show you the simplest and most effective way to do it without deleting anything. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to Pages on the left sidebar. Find the page you want to hide, hover over it and click Edit. Now, look over to the right side of your screen for the Status and Visibility panel. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a section labeled Status. It probably says Published. Click on that and change it to either Draft or Pending Review. Once you do that, hit Update. And that's it. The page instantly disappears from public view. No one will be able to see it except you or anyone with editing access to your site. It's still saved in your dashboard, so you can come back, make changes, and republish it anytime. This method is perfect if you're redesigning a page, preparing new content, or just need to take something offline temporarily, all without breaking links or losing your progress. So next time you need to hide a page in WordPress, remember, just switch its status to draft or pending review and you're good to go. If this helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.